Hello friends. I'm so glad you've been with me in another tutorial video. This video is the 11th part of the complete After Effects software tutorial, and in this video, I want to show you how to create and use solid layers, and how to create a mask in After Effects software, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Solid layer is a simple layer whose surface is covered by paint. This layer is mostly used to create masks on objects. The first thing you need to learn about solid layers is that to create these layers, you must select a composition in one of the timeline or composition panels. Otherwise, the possibility of creating a solid layer will be disabled for you. After selecting a composition, go to the Layer menu and select Solid from the new submenu. The shortcut key to create a solid layer is the Ctrl+Y key combination. This will open the Solid Settings dialog box. First select a name for the solid layer. With two options, width and height, you can specify its dimensions. If you want to create a new layer that covers the entire surface of the selected composition, just click the Make Comp Size button. This will set the values of the two options, width and height, evenly with the dimensions of the selected composition. Enable the Lock Aspect Ratio option. With this option, by changing the dimensions of each of the width or height options, the value of the other option also changes according to the change made. Open the Units menu. Using the options in this menu, you can change the unit of measurement size. Open the Pixel Aspect Ratio menu. With the options in this menu, you can specify the proportions of the pixels used to create a solid layer. Of course, it is better to use the default square pixels option. The last setting is related to the color of this layer. To confirm settings, click the OK button. This creates a solid layer and displays it in the timeline panel and composition. Important note, the main file of these layers is kept in a folder called Solids in the project panel. As a result, you can use multiple copies of this file in the same composition or other compositions. Okay. So far we have learned how to create a solid layer. In the following, we will see how to create a mask. Select Solid Layer. In this case, if you draw a shape on this layer by one of the shapes, this shape acts as a mask. To better understand this, select the Ellipse tool. In this case, if you click and drag on this layer, you will see that the drawn shape acts as a mask, and only the parts of the solid layer that are located under the mask are displayed. Important note, you can mask a space larger than the solid layer range, in which case the contents of the lower layers are also displayed. Of course, here we want to mask a circular area of solid layer. Therefore, after adjusting the dimensions of the circle, release the left mouse button to insert a mask with the same name to the bottom of the solid layer. So far, the task of creating a mask on the solid layer has been done. If you want to change the location of the mask after drawing the shape, you must first select the Selection tool, then click and drag one of the mask's handles to change its location. In the meantime, if you click and drag somewhere inside the mask will be moved simultaneously with the solid layer. Also in this case, if you click and drag on any of the mask handles, you can change the shape of the mask. Now to return to the default state, you must first click on the name Solid Layer and then on the name of the mask. In addition to the above, by double-clicking on one of the mask's handles, you can also view its transformer handles and change the dimensions of the mask if necessary. In the end, you can hide these knobs by pressing the Enter key. So far, you have learned how to insert a mask on a solid layer. Important point, by selecting the solid file, you can change its settings in the project panel. To do this, select this file, go to the Layer menu and select the Solid Settings option. This will open a window with the same name. In this box, you can easily change the solid layer settings using the instructions given. Dear friend, in this video, We saw how to create and use solid layers and how to create a mask in After Effects software. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified of new channel videos as soon as possible. If you have friends who can find this content useful, share the videos with them, and if you like this video, like it. Until the next video, goodbye.